Perfect timing. As soon as I hit record, I get a text. Alright, take two. So, what you're seeing is washers on the top of the front body post there. They run down back to a 9-volt battery. Why so would I do that? So they can touch those two washers that are attached to the underbody of my body. Lights on the front of the Jeep. You guys seen those before. Mikey, if you would. Booyah, baby. Body goes on, lights come off. You got to change your battery on the trail, pull off the top, no wires. Lights go off, lights go on. It almost worked out perfectly, but that's test one, yeah? Happy boys? All right. Designed by Michael Howe, aka China Ho Ho. That's that guy. You're gonna see more of that guy.